Hey guys, quick little check-in here on a Super Tuesday. First thing I want to say is my thoughts go out to everybody in Florida, of course. You know, our petty problems mean nothing. These people are probably going to lose everything they own. Hopefully they got out of there in time, or going to get out of there in time, and get all of their possessions that are important to them out of harm's way. So, you know, our our petty problems don't mean much, and I know I bitch and moan a lot, especially about our distributors, my distributors. I've mentioned their names on here, you know, Gensco and Johnstone, and you know, I think it's human nature for us to dwell on the negatives, and I think people just always, always focus on the negative, and I just don't know why we do that as a society. You know, if I do a good job 100 times, if I mess up one time, you know, I hear about that 500 times more, which I don't think is right. You know, but you know, we need to focus on the positive things in life. You know, having a roof over your head, having food in your stomach, being able to have a nice cold beer after work, you know. And you know, I think that we lose sight of that stuff pretty often. So, you know, I was looking back through the comments the past couple of months, and you know, I know it kind of rubbed a lot of you guys wrong that I'm calling out my distributors on, you know, on a on social media. Sorry, I'm at a loss for words with it, but you know, every once in a while something good comes about, and I want to read this this letter I got here from Gensco. Only took them 2 months, but at least they're trying to make amends here. So obviously, I'm not going to mention the gentleman's name that works at Gensco. It's not important. So anyway, he sent this yesterday morning. Yesterday at just before 9 o'clock. Yesterday morning. So it says, "Good morning, Josh. Hey man, I really hope things are going well for you. I want to apologize for how we at Gensco handled your job site deliveries and your request to return product." So that's cool. You know, I don't know if corporate put pressure on him, or if you know, he's going out of his way. It kind of sounds like he's going out of his way, which is cool, because I know the gentleman that sent this does have some clout there, so hopefully they can make some changes. And then it continues on. "We have spent some time to figure out how we don't do this to you again. Since we last spoke, we have taken all pricing off the job site paperwork," which I knew about a while back. "So this mistake cannot happen again, even if your paperwork is left behind. As for the return stuff, so the return stuff, that's when I tried to return a bunch of product, which I hadn't done in like 4 years. And, you know, they gave me back a bunch of stuff that was highly returnable, and it was just ridiculous." So he continues on. "As for the return, we did not follow procedure to its highest level, and that was 100% our mistake." So that's nice of them, you know, to take full ownership. I'm assuming he's speaking for the entire company, not just himself. I'm sure he has some backing there, or he wouldn't send that email. So, this email. "Man, I am sorry. I know you deal with a lot on the day-to-day running a company, and the last thing you needed is a difficult time for your supply house. That is true. You know, that's one part of being a contractor, or HVAC contractors. We should have a full support from our distributors, and that's the only point I was trying to make with all the bitching and moaning that I was doing about it. It all comes from me just, you know, wanting to work. We should all work together with this, not have any conflict. You know, if they piss me off, I'm not going to move their product, and you know, I don't move as much as the big boys, but you know, $2 is $2. You know, it's X amount of dollars that you wouldn't be getting otherwise. So, so then that was the first paragraph, and then the second one is, "I'm hoping we can rekindle our conversations, and you allow me in to help in the areas of focus. I will have the utmost attention for you and the future of your company. I truly feel I let you down as your rep, and my goal is to never let that happen again. I take pride in what I do, and failing truly bugs me more than you know. So, I mean, I'm sure you got to swallow your pride sometimes and say things like that. I have to do it all the time. I have to do it to customers all the time. And, I think as a distributor, they should be able to do that too, big or small companies. Me being a small company, I'm sure that's why it took them a little while longer. But anyway, he says, please reach out via email, text, or phone call so we can get this ball rolling in the right direction. Thank you, Josh. So, that's kudos to them. So this is a positive. Email that they sent. It's a positive experience, and I just want to say thank you, Gensco. I really appreciate it. And as far as I'm concerned, all is well. Let's move forward and work on some things together. And yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to say to Gensco. And hopefully we can get some of the guys. I know a lot of the guys are subscribed and they watch my content, so I hope they see that. And I want them to know that I don't hold grudges, no love lost. Everything is good. So I just want to say that today, and shed a little bit of positivity on a otherwise mundane Tuesday. I think on a daily basis we should probably sit down and think about the positive things, not the negative. So I won't ramble on any longer, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll be out at that huge remodel job tomorrow to start doing the trim. So I look forward to getting footage on that for you. Thanks, guys.